AI is the future. Join the revolution. AI is changing the world. It is making things smarter. It is used in many fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Learning about AI is important. It can help your career. It can open up new opportunities. Don't get left behind. Join the AI revolution today.
Our one-day AI engineering course is designed for beginners. Whether you have a background in technology or are completely new to the field, this course is tailored to meet your needs. You will learn the basics of AI, including fundamental concepts and terminologies. Our expert instructors will guide you through the essential principles that form the foundation of artificial intelligence. You will get hands-on experience by working on real-world projects. This practical approach ensures that you not only understand the theory, but also know how to apply it in real-life scenarios. The course is structured for easy learning. We use simple language and provide practical examples to make complex concepts accessible. Our goal is to make AI understandable and approachable for everyone. At the end of the day, you will be able to build simple AI applications. You will have the confidence to create your own AI models and understand how they work. You will also understand the power of AI and its potential to transform industries. Join us and take the first step towards becoming an AI engineer. Your journey to success starts here.
We will cover important AI topics like machine learning and deep learning. You'll understand how AI learns from data. We will also explore neural networks. These are the brains of AI. You'll learn how they work. Our expert instructors will guide you. They will answer all your questions. You will leave with a strong foundation in AI.
Section 4. Unlock your potential benefits for everyone. This section is designed to show you how this course can benefit anyone, regardless of their background or experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to make a career change, the skills you gain here will be invaluable.
This course is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you have years of experience. The content is designed to be accessible and beneficial to all. You'll find that the lessons are tailored to meet the needs of a diverse audience.
Even if you have no technical background, you will find the material easy to understand and apply. The course is structured in a way that builds your knowledge step by step, ensuring that you grasp each concept before moving on to the next.
You will learn valuable skills that are in high demand in today's job market. From basic principles to advanced techniques, the course covers a wide range of topics that will enhance your expertise and make you more proficient in your field.
The course will boost your career prospects significantly. By acquiring new skills and knowledge, you'll be better positioned for promotions and new job opportunities. Employers are always looking for individuals who are proactive about their